Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Kapil. I've been working in IT for about 18 years and in leadership and management positions for about 12 years now. This workshop is a real good place to practice servant leadership if you're already aware of it. And if you're trying to learn servant leadership, it's a real good place for you to know the techniques, the subject, and mingle with people who are experts in it. And it's a real good place to test yourself and learn from them. There's a lot of takeaways. There's a lot of improvement in each of us that we need to do, right? The SWOT analysis, and you find an accountable partner to share, to partner your vulnerabilities. Start working on a lot of feedback tools, 360-degree feedback, all of this.
And why?
I would say UST has already been laid on these principles, knowingly or unknowingly, by the founder. And what I can now say is every individual who steps into UST has to be made essentially aware of these servant leadership principles. It's important, a part of our DNA, and it's important for them to display this throughout their career at UST and hopefully outside as a human being. Well, I've been trying to implement this for quite some time, and there are some new techniques that I've learned today during the toolkits, some methodologies that I've learned in this workshop. So I'm trying to implement them back to office, and maybe it's sometimes, if possible, in my other career aspirations.